While I can hold my own in them when in with friends or individuals I understand well, when in with somebody I have not yet established a relationship with, those environments elicit more anxiety, and dating is anxiety-inducing enough. My voice doesn't bring, my system feels overactivated, and it's more difficult for me to connect with my date. Understanding this about myself, I actively recommend locations with sufficient comfortable seating, very little sound, and calm lighting, as to decrease the chances for system overload. Some individuals feel more comfy when facing a window or when their back is to a wall so they can scan their surroundings for potential threats. And if any of the factors are within your control to modify, then do so. For instance, I once asked a date to change seats with me since the mirror behind her was sidetracking me. She was understanding and responsive to this. 3. Practice grounding methods. If the environment is loud and you can't leave it, naming objects and their physical qualities inside the space can assist bring you out of your head. For example, perhaps you see a plant with long green leaves between two bottles of Smirnoff on the rack behind the bartender's head. Or you discover an orange candle flickering on the black circular table beside you. 4. Do a shared activity to leave your overthinking head. At the beginning phases of forming a connection, two individuals are protecting this valuable little flame, our body and souls, that burns within us. Connection happens when the two flames come together, but both people's shields have to be down in order for this to happen. It is for me, a minimum of. Plus, we introverts like to overthink. Are they having a good time? Are we talking enough? Did they make fun of our last joke? So doing something helps get rid of a few of this pressure. Focusing on an external activity can assist you can concentrate on the activity, which takes pressure off the date itself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.